Hi, I'm Amy Korenik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the jewelry design templates. Jewelry making is the #1 thing people do with oven-baked clay. Buying a lot of different shaped cutters can be expensive, and using paper templates can be frustrating. The Sculpey jewelry design templates allow you to quickly and easily cut out shapes to use in your jewelry creations. In the pack, you get 6 reusable sheets of templates that have 64 trendy, unique shapes and different sizes, allowing you to make a large variety of unique jewelry pieces. The templates come with both the positive and the negative of each shape. They're real easy to pop out of the sheet, and when you remove them from the sheet, make sure you save both pieces, because you may find that you prefer to cut around a positive shape or that you prefer to cut inside a negative shape. I'll show you how to do both of those. I already have a sheet of clay conditioned and sheeted through the clay conditioning machine, and I'll just position my template wherever I want it. It's super important that these are transparent, because that way if you're using a patterned clay, you can decide where you want it in the pattern. So I always like to start with the straight lines first, so I'll just go right across the bottom, and I'm using my knife tool. I'm trying to hold my knife blade up as straight as I can so that the edges are really nice and don't have a bevel to them. Then I'll work from my cut edges all the way down to this point. There you go. Now you can quickly and easily just pick up that positive shape and set it aside. Now for my finishing touches, I like to always smooth the outer edges of the clay with my fingertips, just to take away any harsh edging or little bits of extra clay. And there's a beautiful shape ready for jewelry construction. Now let's take a look at doing the same shape using the negative image. I can line this up on the clay wherever I want to. And I like to mark the corners first with the tip of my blade. Then I'll go for that straight line cut. Also, I'll mark the tip here and drag on the inside of the template, and then go back this way. Like I said, you might find that one way, either cutting with the positive or the negative, is more comfortable for you, and that's why we've provided you with both. The Sculpey jewelry design templates are perfect for any jewelry project.